Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon delivery date. This is incredibly useful when your schedule changes or you won't be home to receive a package on the originally planned day. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Now look up at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu bar. From there, click on Returns and Orders. This section houses all your past and current purchases, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Although I don't have any active orders right now, I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see next so you know precisely what to do. Here's something important to keep in mind. Not all orders qualify for date changes. Only certain orders that are in the preparing for shipment status or have recently shipped will display the option to change or reschedule your delivery. If your order doesn't meet these criteria, you won't see the button we're looking for. Once you're on the Your Orders page, scroll through your list or use the available filters to locate the specific order whose delivery date you want to modify. When you find it, click directly on the order number link. This will open up the detailed order page where you can see all the specifics about your purchase. Next, look carefully under the shipping section of this order details page. You're searching for a button that says Change Delivery Date or Reschedule Delivery. When you spot it, go ahead and click it. If you don't see this button anywhere on the page, unfortunately that particular order isn't eligible for a date change through the website. In that case, you'll need to reach out to Amazon customer service directly for assistance. After clicking the Reschedule button, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here you'll see either a calendar view or a list of available delivery dates that Amazon can accommodate. Browse through the options and select the new delivery date that works best for your schedule. Depending on your location and the delivery service, you might also be asked to choose a specific delivery window or time slot. Pick whatever time frame suits you. Once you've made your selection, look for the Confirm button, which might also be labeled as Save or Done depending on your region. Click it to finalize your changes. At this point, wait for the confirmation message to appear on your screen or check that the updated delivery date now shows on your order page. This confirms that Amazon has successfully processed your request. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Amazon delivery date to better fit your schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.